Hello viewers, our topic for discussion is loader design options. It means what are the various options that can be used to design the loader. Loader design options, we can design linkage editor. It performs linking prior to load time. That means we have to perform the linking of the program. Suppose that this is the library. So first we have to add the library in the program, and then we are getting a program that should be loaded in the main memory for execution. That means what here you can see here, and when we are applying the method of linkage editor, we are just linking the library into the original program, and we are getting the linked program, and this linked program can be loaded into the main memory by using some relocating loader. Second one is dynamic linking. Linking function is performed at the time of execution. That means what? If we have two programs P1 and P2, and I have loaded first P1 in the main memory for execution, whenever the P2 is required, that will be loaded into the main memory at the time of execution. Third one is bootstrap loader. Bootstrap loader is used to run standalone programs independent of operating system or the system loader. We had discussed this bootstrap loader in our earlier lectures. Linkage editor. What is the difference between linkage editor and linking loader? You can see here. We are providing some object program, this one, as input to the linkage editor. The libraries are added in the object program by using the linkage editor, and we are getting here the linked program. This linked program can be loaded by using a relocating loader into the main memory. You can see here. Now in linking loader, this is the object program, and object program is or you can say the library is added into the object program by using the linking loader, and the object program is directly loaded into the memory for execution. That means there is no need of relocating loader in this case, because we are not getting the linked program. Directly the object program is linked with the library functions, and the whole program is loaded into the main memory for execution. Linking loader performs all linking and relocation operations. It also performs automatic library search. Load the linked program directly into memory for execution. You can see here. Remember that it just load the linked program directly into memory for execution. That means we are not getting any linked program, and when we are applying, or you can say in another words, we are not getting a version of linked program that will be saved into the memory. That is directly loaded into the main memory for execution. Linkage editor, it produces a linked version of the program, it is often called as load module or an executable image, which is written to a file or library for later execution. A simple relocating loader can be used to load the linked version of the program into memory. The loading can be accomplished in one pass with no external symbol required. The reason is that because the library is already loaded, or you can say already linked, and what we are getting a linked version of the program, and that linked version of the program can be directly loaded into the main memory by using the relocating loader, and we can just do this task in one pass only. A linkage editor or you can say linkage editor resolve the external references, and library searching are only performed once. That means the resolution of external reference and library searching are performed only once in linkage editor. In the linked version of the program, all external references are resolved and relocation is indicated by some mechanism we can use. What are the mechanism? Either we can use modification record technique or we can use bit mask technique. External references is often retained in the linked program. These are this happen for what? To allow the subsequent relinking of the program to replace control sections, modify external references, etc. That means you can see when we are getting the linked version of the program, there are some external references that are often retained in the linked program. Linkage editor can perform many useful functions besides simply preparing an object program for execution. What are those functions? First one, linkage editor can be used to replace the subroutine in the linked version. Suppose that I have taken example here. There is a project. The name of that project is project only. And in that project, I have used one library as a planner. The name of that library is planner. Now, I want to just change something, or you can say in other words, I have changed something in the planner library. Now, in this project, I just want to use our new library that we have modified the planner library. That means you can say we have developed a project. In that project, I have used the planner library. Now, I have just changed something in the planner library. Now, I want to use this new library after change in the project. It can be done by using the linkage editor by using these commands. Include planner program library. From program library, just include the planner library. Delete our project. Include project new library. From the new library, just include the project. And now replace planner from the program library. In this way, I can use our new planner library which has been developed, or you can say which has been developed by modifying the previous planner library. Linkage editors can also be used to build packages of subroutines. It may happen so many times. Suppose that I have written some subroutines F1, F2, F3, and by using these I just want to make a package. And when we will use this package, we will get all the subroutines F1, F2, F3 and so on what that are included into the package. It can be done by using the linkage editor or other control sections that are generally used together. That means the functions that are generally used together, are combined into one package, and whenever these functions are required, in place of these functions, what I am using this package. It can be done by using the linkage editor. How it can be combined? Suppose that I just want to include these libraries into one package. I have written here include reader from function library, include writer from function library, include block from function library, include dblock from function library, include encode from function library, include decode from function library. Now after including this, I am writing a command as save function IO, ftn IO as a sub library. That means what I am creating here? I am creating here package, that is the name of that package is ftn IO, and this ftn IO package will contain all these libraries that are mentioned here. Linkage editors often allow the user to specify that external references are not to be resolved by automatic library search. That means what? Only the external references between user written routines would be resolved. That means what? Suppose that I have written a program, and in that program there is a library. Suppose the name of that library is print. If I have not written this library, or you can say if I have not written this function print in our program, then this library will be added from the library, or you can say the default library that is given to us. But if I want to include, suppose that the situation is that there in the library print is also present, but here I want to add our own written library, user written library print. In that case, it can be done by using the linkage editor. It will not search in the automatic library if the function is defined in your own program. Thank you so much.